Have you ever listened to an AI generated audiobook where every character sounds identical? Or worse, a sad scene is narrated with a happy voice. It can be quite uncomfortable, right? For instance, let me play a short clip from Narnia's The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. This is a crucial moment where Mr. Tumnus, filled with sadness and guilt over his secret allegiance to the White Witch, is confessing to Lucy. But listen to how this might be interpreted.
I think you are a very good fawn. You are the nicest fawn I've ever met. Oh, you wouldn't say that if you knew, replied Mr. Tumnus between his sobs. No, I'm a bad fawn. I don't suppose there ever was a worse fawn since the beginning of the world.
As you heard, Mr. Tumnus sounds happy, completely missing the emotional gravity of the scene. And of course, it's only a single voice for all the narration and the dialogue. Books have diverse characters and emotions. Traditionally, bringing this to life in an audiobook requires a cast of voice actors, making it a complex, time consuming, and expensive endeavor. This is precisely the challenge my solution addresses. What if we use AI to understand the literary text and to know who is speaking and what emotions they're trying to convey, and then use that to generate a multi speaker with different voices and expressive audiobook with a suitable emotion? So let me play you that same scene, but this time generated by our method.
I think you are a very good fawn. You are the nicest fawn I've ever met.
Oh, you wouldn't say that if you knew,
replied Mr. Tumnus between his sobs.
No, I'm a bad fawn. I don't suppose there ever was a worse fawn since the beginning of the world.
Notice the difference? Mr. Tumnus now conveys sadness, and Lucy and the narrator has their own distinct voice. The impact of an automated audiobook generation is significant. For listeners, it means a more immersive way to connect with stories. And for creators, it democratizes the production of high quality, expressive audio, making it more accessible and efficient. So, how do we make this happen? We've developed an intelligent pipeline. First, we feed a digitized book into our system. A fine-tuned book NLP analyzes the text, and through automate processing, we can differentiate dialogue from narration and assign dialogues to the correct characters. With these outputs, we have two paths that we can take: the emotion labeling path and the character voice assignment path. So for the emotion labeling path, we use a model fine-tuned on stories to predict the valence, or how positive or negative the emotion is, and the arousal, how intense the emotion is. With these values, they are used to find the closest matching emotion in a 2D valence arousal map, which then becomes our emotion prompts. For the character voice assignment path, using the character information and the context retrieval, we use a Llama model fine-tuned on these inputs to generate a description for each character. A base model then infers the character's likely age and gender from this description. Finally, the emotion prompt and the selected voice are fed into Cozy Voice 2, a state-of-the-art text-to-speech engine. Cozy Voice 2 then synthesizes the audio to create the multi-speaker expressive audiobook. My research is dedicated to connecting the written word and the spoken experience. By enhancing audiobook generation with speaker and emotion awareness, we're allowing AI to be a more powerful tool that allows everyone to connect more deeply with the stories they love. Thank you. I will now show you a 3-minute demo of the application.